Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create folders on a Gmail. So on Gmail, instead of folders, we use labels that can be found on the left side over here. If you have any labels or folders created, then you will see them like so. In order to create a folder, we need to click on this plus icon over here. Then we can enter the name. I'm gonna name mine as folder. And if we have already created some labels, then we can nest them. So we can treat them as subfolders or sublabels. So we can select this option over here, nest label under, and then we can select a parent. I'm not gonna do that. I want this one to be the main label. So I'm gonna click create. And as you can see over here, we have our folder or label. Now, in order to add a mail message to that folder or label, we can either select from the inbox over here on the left side, and then click on this icon over here, which is labels, and then select which label should be used for that mail message. So you can select multiple, and you can then click apply. Then if you go to the label, then you should be able to find the message. In my case, for some reason, this doesn't work. Okay, so I had to refresh my Gmail website for some reason, but now it actually works. So what we can do is, as I shown you, we can select the box on the left side, click over here, apply the change, and that's pretty much all. Or we can also enter the mail, and then we will find the same options at the top as well, and we can change the labels or select new ones. So let's try that out. And now if I go to these labels over here, now it actually works completely fine. So that's how we can use folders. In case it bugs and you cannot see the changes, for instance, you moved a message to a label and it doesn't work, then you might need to simply refresh the page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.